Welcome to my Power BI lecture video. In this lecture video, I want to learn how to use the sort by column feature in Power BI. Let's get started. Now I have this visualization, this report, and we have table visualization, and we can see total revenue by month. However, when we pay attention, we discover that all our months is alphabetized. In other words, we have it in alphabetical order, which is not the proper month order. So we actually want to display this particular report in the proper month order. Therefore, we need to actually use the sort by column. So I'm going to come to the data view. Then this is our month date. We have the month, January to December. Now I'm going to come to the modeling tab and I'm going to click on new column. Okay, this is going to be a calculated DAX column. So I'm going to provide the name of my month and I'm going to call it sort month or whatever I want to call it. Let me just call it sort order. Then equal sign. So I'm going to use the month function based on this order date to return the month number. For example, January will return 1, February will be 2nd, December will be 12 in that order. So I'm going to use the month function. Alright, for my month function, I need to just provide the argument, which is going to be date table and date column. Alright, then I'm going to close my month function and hit the enter key. Alright, so we're going to see that we have the order. Can you see all the January are displayed? We have sort order 1. Can you see March sort order 3? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click or select the month column and come to the sort by column, then click the drop down. Then I'm going to sort the month based on the sort order. Alright, so the changes will automatically be effected behind the scene. Then when we go back to our visualization, we'll discover that we have the date in the proper month order. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you for watching my Power BI lecture video. Bye for now.